And thank you to all of our new subscribers. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Creativity Castle. My name is Sauerpuss. Each week, we bring to you a new Sauerpuss creativity exercise on Friday at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I hope you can join us each week for a new and exciting episode from me, Sauerpuss. Please give us a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe today.
It's time again to be creative.
That could only mean one thing.
Oh boy!
It's Squiggle Time.
Yay! We love Squiggle Time!
For today's exercise, we are going to do a squiggle drawing. Hey, Squigs! Squigs helps us to use our imaginations to see things that we normally wouldn't see. Squiggle time is when we draw a random line with one color and then pick another color to complete the drawing. Let's use an orange pencil.
Yay, that's my favorite color!
To help me draw the squiggle line, I need you to count to 3 and then shout squiggle. Then I will begin to draw. Then I will need you to quickly shout stop, so then we can complete the squiggle line. Penny and the pencils are going to help.
1, 2, 3, squiggle!
Oh boy! Now it's time to use our imaginations to see what we can see in the squiggle line. At this point, you can copy my squiggle on a piece of paper to do the squiggle with me. Once you've finished your squiggle line, look at the squiggle on the page and see what you can see in the line. Use your imagination. It's up to you to decide what your mind and your imagination sees in the squiggle line. Then, using another color,
Let's use blue!
you can then complete the squiggle drawing. Oh, I have an idea. See if you can guess what I am drawing.
Can you give us a hint?
Do-do-do, 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 do-do-do.
I see something! Oh, me too!
Do-do-do, 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 do-do-do. If you've guessed a bird, you're absolutely right.
What a creative idea, Sauerpuss!
It's a friendly little bird with fluffy feathers and little feathers on the head. Now that we're finished drawing our bird, if you'd like, you can color it in.
I'm so excited, I just can't hide it!
I will speed up my drawing so you can see how I finished my squiggle line. Here I can use all sorts of textures and drawing techniques to color in this drawing. And here we have our little squiggle drawing. It's our squiggle bird. I sure hope you've enjoyed this squiggle drawing exercise. For more squiggle ideas and squiggle exercises, go to sourpussandfriends.com to the Squiggle Time activity. All you have to do is sign up and register. Register today.
Oh boy, what fun!
Thank you for joining this follow along. See you next time. And remember
Be
to
creative!